Kinda.
Let it go.
Oh, hold on. Idiots. Okay, do it again. A little better.
Alright, so what I just did is I went through and I numbered all of my spark plug wires just so you can keep track of everything as we tear it down. Then we marked our starting point. The first cylinder actually is, just to make it easier later. Me to keep track of the, oh never mind, yes, that's why I have my cardboard. Tighten the bolts or just take it off?
Just take it.
There's only one bolt there.
Yeah. Looks like they just tried to silicone it on.
Yeah, this is like not even screwed on.
Was it worse?
It was, yeah.
We'll still just take it off here.
brake fluid reservoir and mold.
Yeah. Can really see all the crud inside of them. These two right here were the ones not getting oil. So I'm hoping there's some gunk in the middle of that tube shaft. We're gonna pull that cotter pin out, pull a plug out. I bought some cleaning tools to clean that up, and then maybe we'll screwdriver clean some of that too. Okay, so there's 4 bolts that go across the top. I'm gonna pull the 4 off. I'm gonna loosen them gradually so they're not, well, that one's not too tight, so I don't bend that shaft. These are under spring pressure from your intake and exhaust springs. It's pretty loose. Okay, when I give these to you,
Don't tip them upside down.
don't, yeah, well, I need to know which side's the left side and which side's the right side. So are you going to work on the TV side or the other side?
Probably the TV side.
Okay, if you're going to work
So I'll
on,
put the left side on the left side.
put the left side on the left side, and they have to keep them facing the same way so we don't flip them around. Okay, so this is the front. Keep that facing towards you,
Yep.
so that way you know which way is the front.
That's right side.
This is the right side.
Okay.
These little Milwaukee sockets, they've got a square back, so they're really easy to turn. Well, I say that. They're easy to turn if it's not gunked up.
And it's only 107.
It's only 107. That's the front. Yeah, I better clean that up too. It's pretty nasty. I just pounded through.
Gross.
All right, we got the top of the head cleaned, and now we're going to start reassembling. So we're going to prime the pump and use a skinny 1/4 inch socket. We're going to put it down into the oil pump. It's turning. And this turns counterclockwise. So all of them.
Yep.
Right? It's coming on that one too.
All of them.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Round top dead center. Now that's sitting right where I want it. That's pointing to where I'm going to have my number 1 spark plug wire. Here. There, it's right.
Adjust your timing already?
Oh yeah. Let's just see if it starts first.
All right, ready?
Kinda.
Ready, go.
Come up.
on. Idiots. Okay, do it again.
Go ahead and try it.
Is there any gas in the carburetor?
Yep.
There you go. Send it.
Try it again.